The local couple's unprecedented battle over the ownership of a dog is back at square one after a recent decision by the Kansas Supreme Court. At the heart of this canine court case is who owns this dog, Oscar. Not just any dog. Oscar is a champion Cane Corso, winning Best of Breed in the prestigious Westminster Dog Show 2 years in a row, including right this morning.
KSHP 41 reporter Abby Dodge digs into this case that pits friends against friends.
And serves as a cautionary tale for pet owners about the importance of getting everything in writing.
You go get it. Get it, mama.
Dogs, cats, and pigs roam Dave Jennings and Emily McLeod's Kansas City, Kansas property outside and in.
They're all family. I mean, every individual animal is its own member of our family.
But there's one family member who hasn't been home in more than 3 years. Their Cane Corso, Oscar. His empty bed, a painful reminder of his long absence.
We just miss our family being complete. I don't even know how to describe it.
Oscar joined the couple's family in 2017. A gift. The second Cane Corso, the Jennings say, was given to them by longtime friend and breeder Elizabeth Schock and her late husband.
They asked us if we'd be interested in taking Oscar because it was too much to manage that house.
The friends bonded over dogs, with Emily, an animal chiropractor, helping with previous litters. Dave, a human chiropractor, pitched in too.
You know, we loved all the puppies.
Because of that friendship, the couple didn't get a contract. When they say Schock gave them Oscar and their female Cane Corso Grayson as pets. But they did agree not to neuter Oscar in case Schock ever wanted to show him.
In 2018, Schock entered Oscar into his first show. He won and kept winning. But Emily and Dave say competing at shows for weeks at a time started to take a toll on Oscar's health.
He didn't ever do well on the road. He always got sick. He always came home sick. He would give stuff to Grayson.
Schock, however, continued to show Oscar, and in 2019 took him to a dog show in Colorado, but didn't bring him home. Panicked, Dave found Oscar at a show in Virginia.
I went in with a leash, walked right in, opened the door. I was like, come on, buddy, let's go. My biggest concern from then is just his condition. It has made me sad because everything we've been told came true. So here I have a dog he's extremely thin. When we finally got him on a scale, he dropped 15 pounds.
This is when their friendship unraveled and the legal battle over Oscar's ownership began. First here in the Wyandotte County District Court back in 2020, when Dave and Emily sued for ownership of Oscar. Schock filed a counterclaim that included a preliminary injunction for Oscar's immediate return. The couple lost, and Oscar went back to Schock.
And it was our hardest goodbye.
I mean, he just got ripped away from us, you know?
Dave and Emily took their legal battle here to the Kansas Court of Appeals, and in an unprecedented decision, the court ruled Dave and Schock co-own Oscar, and any decisions about his showing or breeding must be made collectively. That decision came down in January 2023, but Oscar still isn't home.
We literally pray that God will take care of him until he brings him home every night.
But the couple's wait was far from over. Schock petitioned the Kansas Supreme Court to review Oscar's case, which it agreed to do in November 2023. Earlier this month, the Supreme Court ruled both of the lower courts made legal missteps in Oscar's case. The justices ordered the legal fight returned back here to the Wyandotte County District Court, where the case first started.
Schock's attorney declined to talk to us while the case is pending in the legal system. In a previous statement, they said they strongly disagree with many of the allegations made by Dave and Emily. Regarding the Supreme Court's decision, Schock's attorney said he's grateful the case is returning to the Wyandotte County District Court, adding Oscar is healthy, happy, and continues to thrive both inside and outside the show ring.
Come on. Are you ready?
For Emily and Dave, they say they'll never get back the years they lost with Oscar, and the Supreme Court's ruling means they'll have to keep waiting and counting the days. They're now at more than 1,200.
I think we have to stand in the belief it's coming home, because that's what gives us hope.
Emily and Dave also told us they hope their case will remind everyone of the importance of getting all agreements in writing, even among friends.
None of this would have taken place had a contract with the clearly listed out goals been written and agreed on by both parties.
You can read the couple's full statement regarding the Supreme Court's decision along with Schock's attorney's statements on our website, kshb.com.